Hello, everybody, and welcome to my project recording, my fifth dashboard, where I'll do an analysis of COVID-19, the NCDC's report. It's part of my requirements as my virtual internship at Quantum Analytics. So let's get to it. Okay. Now, what I decided to do from my own point of view, this is actually visualizing what really happened during the pandemic according to regions, not just by states. What were the number of cases by states affected? So I decided to look at the top 5 states according to region and according, of course, to the country. You can see from the cards that the number of deaths, total number of deaths were 3,155. We had number of cases on admission. People that actually stayed in the isolation centers were 3,593, but the total number discharged that were told to go home were 259,000, but the death toll was 3,155. Now, looking at it, we can say that at 104,000, Lagos had the highest number of cases and was higher than that of Kogi, which had the lowest number of cases. We all know Yaya Bello's story that there was no COVID-19 in Kogi State. Lagos accounted for almost 40% of the cases that were lab confirmed, not because they had the highest rate, but that was the state where the most number of testing were done. So that it had those numbers to give out. Across all 37 states affected, number of cases lab confirmed range from 5 to 104,000. Basically, that's just the summary. This is our lovely country, Nigeria. So I'd like to see what happened in the Northwest. In the Northwest, we can see that 324 people died. There was just 467 cases on admission and 21,000. If you compare that to even just Lagos alone, you can see a huge discrepancy. We have Kano, Kaduna, and these were the top 5 that were affected in those states. Jigawa had the least of 0.7,700, and Kaduna had the highest with 11,600, which also says in my summary chart here, Kaduna accounted for 53% of the number of cases in the Northwest. So let's go to North Central. In the North Central, we can see that the top 5 states were Plateau, was FCT, Plateau, Kwara, Nasarawa, and Benue. And we can actually see that we had 49,000 and just 174,000 deaths. So I'm interested in Southwest. Southwest numbers also say their own. Number of cases, 131 combined in the Southwest, 131,000. Then we can see we had 1,284 deaths, and these are the numbers here. In the South, you see we have 39,000 cases. Deaths were 686. The highest state was Rivers. All confirmed cases. 600 people were in isolation, basically, and 38,000 were discharged. Okay, let's go to Northeast. In Northeast, we see that 10,000 cases. At 3,313, Gombe had the highest number and was higher than Yobe, which was the lowest number, confirmed at 638. So this is my COVID-19 dashboard, one of my personal favorites. And we can say my visualization tool on this dashboard is Power BI. I want to thank Quantum Analytics and Saratu Belu for being an amazing tutor. Thank you.